trust is King Charles of the UK, and it's helping about create a spirit of youth and entrepreneurship across the globe. And here in Pakistan, we're running the Enterprise Challenge Pakistan. It's been going for many, many years now. It's been expanded to public schools over the last few years, and the aim is to help children be entrepreneurs, because the jobs of the future are going to be very different. They're going to have to be self-created, they're going to have to be tech-enabled, and the kids here are fantastic. There is such talent here in Pakistan. So one group of school kids has invented an AI app that if you point it in front of a medicine, it will tell you if it's genuine, if it's out of date, or if it's fake. There's another bunch of school kids who've taken corn husks that are normally burnt, very bad for the planet, and have turned it into leather. This is the sort of entrepreneurial zeal that we've got here in Pakistan, and being able to take those ideas as school kids, translating it into a business idea and making a bit of money. What's not to love?
So you see that it's gone well and the objective has achieved?
I think it's gone more than well. The objective has achieved, and we've just got the finalists here today, but there's an awful lot of ideas on the way through that didn't make it to the final, but they're still brilliant. So to all the kids out there, keep being entrepreneurs, and I'll see you at the awards next year.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.